Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can charge your HTC True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, so before the charging you have to remember to remove these stickers from the left and the right earbuds. They will be attached right here, and then we have to put both earbuds inside the case, just like that. Close the case, and right now, as you can see on the back, we can find input for the USB-C cable. So here I have the random USB-C cable, and we have to plug this end right here for this input. And there is also for sure this second end of the cable, and that's the USB-A that you can actually plug to your PC, laptop, to your game console like PlayStation, to the power bank, or for example to the charging brick. And that's also some kind of the random charging brick. So you have to just plug this cable right here, and of course this end you have to plug to the electricity. And take a look right now. When you do this, you can find that this small indicator inside, it's actually blinking red, and it means that our device is actually charging, and the charging case and the earbuds inside. And when this icon turns to the green, it means that they are charged above the 75%. So that's how we can do this. And also, to fully charge this device, it will take around 1 hour. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.